I'm here with one more topic, that is sealed classes. Sealed class is a special type of class that cannot be inherited. We use sealed keyword to create sealed classes. Here is a syntax for creating sealed classes. We declare this class as any other class, but we use this sealed keyword. Key features of this class are: this class cannot be inherited, and this class can be instantiated. That means we can create instance of these sealed classes. They are usually used to create helper classes that do not require inheritance. And they are normal classes with inheritance restriction, because when we say like sealed classes, it may create confusion. It is like any other class. The only restriction is we cannot inherit from this class. Look at this example. Here I have created this simple calculator class. This is a public sealed class. Here I have used this sealed keyword. This makes this class a sealed class. As discussed earlier, sealed class restricts inheritance. Let's verify that. I have added this test class. Now I will try to inherit from this simple calculator sealed class. See, if I try to inherit from this class, we get this error message that this class cannot derive from sealed type simple calculator. So this is how, like, this is the reason whenever we want to restrict any class from inheritance, then we can use this sealed keyword. And we can consider this class like any other concrete class. Here I have this program.cs file and I have this main method, and this is an example for calculator. And here, I want to, here I have added this functionality to perform all these operations, and I have this method calculate. If I want to use this functionality, then see, you can ignore all these things. These are just input output statements. Here is how I have created instance of this simple calculator class. And I'm creating instance of this simple calculator class like any other concrete class. And I'm calling this calculate method, which is there in this seal class. Only point to remember, when using seal classes, we cannot inherit from this seal class. We are using this class to restrict inheritance. I can run this application and show you the output. Here is our application. I will select addition, enter first number. I'm entering first number, then I'm entering second number, and here is the result. And again, if I enter something wrong, then I get this invalid choice. Please select a number between 1 and 5. Here is a quick recap of the features. That's all for today's session. Thanks for your time. See you soon in the next video. Thank you.